One of my favorite lights is the Dedo Light. And the reason I love this light so much is it can do so many cool applications, as well as being very lightweight, easy to rig to the ceiling. It does scallop patterns on pictures absolutely perfectly. It has all these projection lenses and all these cool little things to be able to turn it into an ellipsoidal light. Its ability to dim, focus, and its ability to shape comes in a very complete package. Eric, let's talk about where we love to use these lights.
I love them in bars for when you have a pool every 3 feet down with bar length, because it's a tight pattern, it bounces off the bar back on the people, but there's no spill off on the people. Over FRESNE, which has a softer spill.
It's absolutely beautiful. When you take these out, look at how it just has the perfect circle of light, and it just looks so good.
The only light spilling off is the light bouncing here and filling here. So none of the hard light, even when I can see the lens, there's not much light actually hitting my face.
See, it's like none of that light is playing like here. It's literally playing on his face, bouncing off that.
On a normal FRESNE, you'd have, if you can see the lens, you'd have some light hitting your face.
Everything is about speed, how quickly you can go in, how quickly you can adjust levels and lights. And this one gives you the ability to dim. It gives you the ability to focus and make it a little wider, a little tighter, a little brighter. Now let's talk about turning it into a Leco. Iris goes in here. And now I've turned it into a Leco.
So with this attachment, you have no spill at all, zero spill.
Exactly.
Even right here, there's no light spilling on my hand.
I can pop that off. I can go in for a cutter, and it works just like a Leco where it goes opposite. So the bottom cuts the top and the top cuts the bottom. So now I can make that as sharp or as soft as I want it. I'm able to move the leaves. I can put all 4 leaves in if I want. I can now use my iris and close it all the way down to a little shotgun blast. Okay, and then I can pop this out, pop that out. See how clean the circle is? That is the power of this light. And then I have full dimmability.
By cleaning means it's even across the whole thing. It's not hotter in the center, whether it's spotted in or flooded out, it's the same evenness across to the edges, and then it falls off at the very edge.
I don't think I would say, okay, I'm gonna do a dado bounce. It's an accent light is what I really like to use with this light. Either it's accenting bar tops, accenting pictures in a museum.
That's not to say that you can't bounce it, because if you're in a situation where you're in a small closet or something and you need a little bounce and you don't have any space to hang a bigger light,
You're absolutely
you can hang
right.
one of these in about that much space of ceiling space, and you can get a full even bounce right next to your talent.
If we go in real close here,
In full flood, you can fill a 2x2 card with that. So you can hang it up here, and if the ceiling's 8 feet, you can still shoot under it.
I've done it with like weddings where you just highlight them from above, you know, the white tabletop, and it up glows on their face. It's a beautiful accent light, and as Eric said, a bounce light in very compact quarters really brings this thing to life. All right, let's put our bounce back, David, and we'll see what this light gives us. Bam! Now you can see it's a very hard source as well. So we're creating a very hard nose shadow. Our dado is coming in at a 4 6/10.